So hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. So firstly, wish you a very happy Durga Puja and a very happy Navratri. So since festive season is all around, so I thought why not make a video on grooming tips for everyone. It's not specifically for girls. Even if you're a boy, you can easily use all the tips which I'm gonna share in this video. So most of the things which I'm gonna share are very basic, and I think everyone will know about it. But on a precise, I'm gonna share few of the DIYs which are very effective yet very easily accessible to everyone. So yeah, the first basic grooming tips which I'm gonna share is the body scrub. Now body is something which most of people ignore. Like we generally focus on our face and our hair, but we generally tend to avoid our body. But it's one of the most important and essential thing. Like if we do some basic body scrub, eventually our body will feel more good and it will be flawless and will feel good from inside. So make sure to invest some more time on your body too. So for this I'm gonna share about body scrub. So for body scrub I have used very basic minimal products, that is 2 basic products which are easily available to everyone, I guess, and that is 1 tablespoon of coffee and 1 powdered sugar. I mean, if you don't have powdered sugar, not to worry, you just need to grind your regular sugar, and that's all. So guys, before applying this body scrub, I prefer removing my hair because it helped me in removing my dead cells more easily. And then here I'm using this body scrub. For this I am using 1 tablespoon of coffee and 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar and 1 tablespoon of water, and then mix it thoroughly and then apply all over your body, including your hands, legs, wherever you want to apply you can, and then massage it lightly. Make sure don't be so harsh on your hands and legs. Just massage it very lightly, very slowly and very gently all over your hands or legs, wherever you have some dark patches, and then wash it off with your regular water. Now let's come to our face. Now for face, exfoliation is a must to do because it eventually eventually remove your dead cells and whiteheads and blackheads to some extent. So exfoliation is necessary once in a 2 week or once in a month, but not regularly. So for exfoliation you don't need to buy exfoliating cream or something like that. You can easily make it at home. And so for face scrub, for exfoliation, you need 1 tablespoon of honey and 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar, and then massage it all over your face, especially on your T-zone area where you get maximum of dead cells or whiteheads or blackheads. So I generally get whiteheads or blackheads in my nose part, so I tend to scrub it all over my nose, especially focusing on nose part. And yeah, so make sure to do it once in a month or once in a 2 week, but not regularly, of course. And in this festive season you can definitely try this hack out. So yeah. So here I'm again using 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon of honey, and then mix it thoroughly. Now powdered sugar acts as an exfoliator and helps in removing our dead cells and whiteheads and blackheads to some extent. And honey helps in moisturizing our skin, and it also works in controlling our acne. So if you have acne prone skin, you can try using honey. And also it speeds up our skin cells, so honey is very good for our skin. And make sure to massage it very gently with your soft hands and then wash it off with your regular water. So after your skin is all exfoliated, all you need to do is to cool down your skin cells. So for this you can use any aloe vera gel. I'm using this aloe vera gel which was stored in refrigerator. You can also use eyes and gently rub over your skin. Now for hair, oiling is a must to do thing. Like even if you don't do oiling, start it from today itself, because it's something which definitely make your hair look more good. It will make your hair more healthy. So make sure to do oiling. But apart from that, you can also add some extra ingredients which will eventually make your hair more silky, smooth and healthy too. So for this reason I have used aloe vera gel. Now aloe vera is something which is very good for everything, like for face, hair. It's a it's a medicine kind of thing for me. So I tend to use aloe vera everywhere. So in the oiling also I use aloe vera gel. So for oiling I'm using aloe vera gel and my regular oil. You can use any oil and prefer using coconut oil because coconut oil is very good for your hair. And then mix it and then apply all over your scalp and towards the length of your hair too, and then massage it all over your scalp. And don't be harsh, be gentle with your fingers. The next grooming tip is like a savior if you have a frizz hair because it works as a magic. Trust me guys, it is basically elephant apple, and I think most of you have heard it. Like it is called Otanga in Assamese, and it's very common in every Assamese household, and we must have it. I mean, you must have it. I always have it in my home. Like my mom cooks every day. So this is like a savior if you have a frizz hair because it works as a conditioner. It nourishes your hair. You just need to cut this elephant apple, and then you will find a jelly-like substance inside this elephant apple, and you need to apply those jelly-like substance on your hair. And so in case you don't know about elephant apple, it looks like this, and when you cut it down it looks like this, and then you will find some jelly-like substance inside this elephant apple, and you need to apply this jelly-like substance all over your hair, especially on your length of your hair because it works as a conditioner. Of course you can also use on your scalp, but prefer using on your lengths of your hair because it works as a conditioner. So yeah. So today only I have used this elephant apple as a conditioner instead of my regular conditioner, and trust me guys, oh my god, my hair feels so good, it feels so healthy, and I'm just obsessed with my hair right now, and you will also love it, trust me. So do try this at your home in this festive season, and yeah, that's all. So you will thank me later on for sure. So once you're done with all the scrubbing and exfoliation, make sure to moisturize your skin. Use a good moisturizer for your body and for your face too. So guys, do take out some time to pamper yourself and do some self-care. You will feel good about yourself, trust me. So in this festive season, make sure to pamper yourself a bit, and that's all. So that's all guys. So I've included all the hacks for your body, hair and face. So if you use this hack, your body will eventually feel healthy and flawless, your hair will feel silky, you're healthy, and your face will be more smooth. So make sure to try this hack at the festive season, and you're gonna thank me later, trust me. That's all. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this Durga Puja to the fullest, and I hope you liked this video. So if you do, hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And till then, take care. See you in next video very soon. Bye guys.